Hey team, it's Brian from the Celebrity Personal Assistant Network. So today we're going to talk about what are rolling calls. For years and years, I've been getting messages about this. People want to know what are rolling calls. So right below this video will be a link to this article on my website that will explain it in detail. But I will give you a truncated version right here. Rolling calls is the practice of an assistant getting on the phone and speed dialing people to try to get them in touch with your boss. So, for example, let's say you work for a famous producer and you need to reach, um, your boss needs to reach another famous producer or director. They can't just send emails, they have to collaborate in real time. And these people are incredibly busy. So, how do they get in touch with each other? So, let's say your boss suddenly gets 30 minutes available because an appointment canceled. So, then he says on the assistant, start rolling calls. So, there will be a list of like 20 or 30 people that producer needs to talk to. So that they will just start speed dialing people. Let me call Oliver Stone. Let me call Tom Cruise. Let me call the head of Paramount, whatever. And you just bang, 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 bang. And then one assistant will be on the phone with the other assistant, say, this is so and so calling from so and so's office. Is Mr. Blah, blah, blah available? Yes, he is, or no, he's not. And you'll have to call like 50 or 100 people, excuse me, before you can actually get someone on the phone. Anyway, this is Brian with the Celebrity Personal Assistant Network. Again, you can click the link below this video to read the article.